and we don't have time to be worried about equipment. It affects the whole scene safety. It can be deadly for us, it can be deadly for our partners, or for the people that we're trying to help. We don't have time to be worried about equipment, and it's very comforting to have equipment that we can trust. The FORTEM light I really like. The light that I can put on my helmet, set it and forget about it, and then go in and handle the situation. Having a good light that can pierce through the smoke really helps us identify any potential threat. Going into any hazardous environment, I need to know that my helmet light is safety rated and can handle any situation. Having two lights, especially the floodlight, helps us stay focused on the task, allows me to do the job a lot quicker, a lot better, and a lot safer. Accountability is key. That green light helps tremendously. We just glance, we know it's our guy, and we continue doing our job. Yeah, all the fancy equipment, the big trucks are very helpful, but you can't use any of that if you can't see. When my life depends on light, I depend on Nightstick.